Alrighty, ESbio. Real quick rundown of the week. What else am I going to show you? This. All students, so basically tomorrow, don't meet me in the room. Meet me in the computer lab near the library. I'm sorry it's last minute, but just make sure you meet me there. Also, if you don't know what a biome is, so let's see. So a biome, make sure you look that up. What a biome is. Basically, there are different regions of the globe that have different climate and the average temperature, and those are different biomes. So, like temperate deciduous forest, the taiga, the chaparral, Amazon rainforest. Those are all different biomes. So they're gonna be showing you how to research with the biomes tomorrow in there, and using databases. We're gonna be using databases at um, through the school's website. So they're going to take us to a database where we can check stuff. So I may have some projects where we use those databases, so make sure you pay attention. Okay, back to Moodle. Oops. To Moodle, guys. I made a mistake on another class. You guys only had one shot at those at the quiz. Another class did not have unlimited shot on those quizzes that were open book, open notes. So if you don't like your score on, I believe it was the first one, on this one, yes. I believe I changed it to where you can retake the one of them. So one of them, no, well, it was the second one, excuse me. Some students didn't get a perfect score on this, and I changed it to highest grade. I will change it says it's closed now, so it says it's closed. I'm going to change that right after I get done here, but I'll let you guys retake that and get that perfect score if you want to. If you have questions on what you missed, that's fine. Also, what's due tomorrow, let's go back to the course. This is what you guys should be able to see. This is due. This should be done when you come back tomorrow. Hope you guys had a great break, by the way. I don't know if I said that. So this is due when you come back. So this worksheet here, if you haven't done that yet, you're going to have some homework tonight. So anyway, there's not going to be a test this week. Long story short, guys. So if you notice what I'm going to upload, I just got done recording it. I'm teaching you guys Lewis structures. Now I'm doing kind of quick explanation of Lewis structures. That way you can, when you see it again in chemistry, it'll make more sense. Plus, when we go on to the next unit, next chapter, talk about biomolecules or your macromolecules, whatever you want to call them. Carbohydrates, proteins, lipids, nucleic acids, the four big ones. You'll understand a little bit more as to why they are oriented the way they are. So that's why I thought that was kind of important. And I did it via YouTube video, so I don't have to waste class time doing that. That's going to help save me have more labs, free up time for more labs, and still get the content that I want to get you guys. So I'm going to try to do a lab, water properties lab, on Friday. Some interesting things that you may have already kind of reinforced what you've already have learned. I'm hoping to finish up the notes. So basically the main thing you guys need to do is I'll have that YouTube video uploaded sometime this evening, so you can start looking at that. It's kind of lengthy. I think it's like 30 minutes long, so you may want to kind of take it in chunks. Don't have to do it all in one night. You can maybe look at it, take a little bit of notes, come back, mark where you're at. I'm also kind of play with trying to putting that on Google Drive, the video. That way you may be able to view it at school, so we can get around that problem not being able to view it while actually you're at school because there's a block on YouTube for students. I'm going to work on a way around that. That's my next thing to do. So, long story short, there's no test over chapter 2 of this week. There will be a test next week, probably on Tuesday of next week, I'm thinking. So, chapter test on chapter 2 on Tuesday, and we'll move into chapter 3. Okay, moving to chapter 3. So like I said, just watch that YouTube video, retake that quiz if you want. The quiz I'm talking about is this guy right here. I'm going to reopen that, and if I forget, just remind me. Mr. Smith, you didn't do that. So I will take care of that for you guys. So kind of, if you have not read the chapter, if you haven't finished reading yet, you may want to do that. Okay, we're going to finish discussing it on Thursday because you have a standardized testing day, field day on Wednesday. Alrighty, guys. Hope you guys had a great break. I know I did. Hope you enjoyed the weather. Take it easy. See you tomorrow.